Hello, my name is Miss Sabrina, but today you can call me Chef Sabrina because we're going to be cooking. Can you tell what room I'm in? Am I in the bathroom, the kitchen, the bedroom? Right, I'm in the kitchen. And that's where we do our cooking. Today, we are going to be cooking some stuffing. It's the holiday season, which is normally when some people enjoy eating stuffing, like at Thanksgiving or even Christmas time. Now, sometimes we're still learning how to use the stove or the oven, but today, I'm going to show you how you can make stuffing in the microwave. Let's start together. The first thing I'm going to get is my recipe. I like to use this visual recipe because I can see each step, but I'm going to walk you through it too. So the first step says to pour 1.5 cups of water into a microwave safe dish. Let's break that down. First, I'm going to get a measuring cup. This one's really big. Yours doesn't have to be that big. But I'm going to measure out 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to use bottled water, but you can use filtered water or water that comes out of your refrigerator. I'm going to pour 1.5 cups. Now, it's a good idea to get low so I can see where 1.5 cups is. I'm going to pour it in. And I'm going to stop at 1.5 cups of water. Great. Now the next step is to pour that water into a microwave safe dish. Now normally if it's made out of glass or ceramic like this, it's safe in the microwave. If it's plastic, you can look at the bottom and it will say microwave safe or have a symbol of the microwave safe symbol. I'm going to pour my water into my dish. Great. That's the first step. Now I need to add my stuffing mix. It's not coming out. What do I need to do? Right, I need to open the box. Open it up. Now I'm going to take out the package. Oh, I still need to open it. To do this, you can use your 2 hands and pull them in different directions to open it. Oh no, I was struggling a little bit. If you're struggling, you can solve your problem and use something to help you. Do you know what I could use to open this bag? Yeah, I can use some scissors. I have scissors right here. I'm going to use the scissors to cut off the corner of my bag. Now I can pour it in. Pour it in the dish. You want to pour it so it goes evenly all over the dish. The next step in my recipe says I need to melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Let's do that together. Now, butter is normally kept in the refrigerator, but I already brought mine out. Let me show you up close. Here's my butter, and you can count there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of butter left. Perfect! La la la. Now the recipe says I need to melt the butter. Do you know how I could melt the butter? Yeah, I could put it in the microwave. Now to do this, we want to unwrap the butter from the butter package. And we want to make sure and put it in a microwave safe dish. Just like we checked last time, either ceramic, glass, or make sure on the bottom that it says microwave safe. It does. Okay, now I'm going to put it in the microwave. I'm going to come back here, open it, and place my dish in the microwave. Now I'm going to close the microwave. How do I know how much time to set it for? I know, I can check my recipe. My recipe says to cook it for 15 seconds to try and make the butter soft. Let's try it. I'm going to press cook time on this microwave and then press 1, 5, and then press the start button. Now, you can just wait. Sometimes I like to dance around while the microwave is going. Did you hear that sound? The microwave is finished cooking our butter. I'm going to carefully open the microwave. And you always want to be very careful because the things in the microwave are hot. So you want to gently touch the side and make sure it doesn't burn us. This one's not too hot. Don't forget to close the microwave. Now, we need to look inside and check, is our butter cooked all the way? I'm going to use a spoon to mix it up a little more. Now this butter does look nice and melted. Our recipe says to pour the melted butter evenly on the stuffing. Here we go, pour the butter. Whoa, that looks delicious. Nice. But I'm not done yet. My next step is to cover it with plastic wrap. This is plastic wrap. Have you ever used this before? Plastic wrap can be a little tricky. First, you want to open the box. But be careful because one of the sides is sharp. That's what helps break the plastic into strips. You're going to use one hand to secure the box and pull with the other side. Cover your food. Then you can push down and pull the plastic wrap up to help it break off. Now I'm going to perfectly cover, or the best you can, the stuffing. Can you see that? The stuffing's covered with plastic wrap. Now I need to put this back in the microwave. Well, this is going in for the first time. Let's turn around. Open the microwave and put it in. Now I'm going to close the microwave. But wait, I forgot how long to cook it for. Do you remember what I can check? Right, I can check my recipe. According to my recipe, it says to cook it for 5 or 6 minutes. Some microwaves are stronger than others. I'm going to cook mine for 5 minutes. So I'm going to come back over here and press cook time, then 5, but that's only 5 seconds. 5, 0, 0. That's 5 minutes. Now I press start. Now that will be a long dance session. Now, you don't have to dance. I just like to. Did you hear that? Our food's done. Again, I'm going to open the microwave. We have to be extra careful because it's really, really hot. It's been in here for 5 minutes. I'm going to carefully touch the outside really fast. Oh yeah, it's hot. So we need to protect our hands. Do you know what we can use on our hands to protect them from the heat? Yeah, we can use oven mitts. I'm going to put my oven mitts on. Some of them go on your hands. Some of them just have a little pocket you can put your hands partially in. And some you don't put your hands in at all. You just hold it as a barrier. Now, let's go carefully grab our food with 2 hands if you can, and gently put it down. I'm going to put one of these at the bottom since this is so hot. We did it. Now, what's the next step? Let me check my recipe. It says to carefully remove the plastic wrap. Then use a fork to fluff up the stuffing. Let's try it. First, I'm going to carefully remove the plastic wrap. Oh, it's very hot. So we want to keep our hands as far away as we can from the steam. The steam is that white stuff that kind of looks like smoke coming up. It's actually just really, 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 really hot floating water. So keep your hands away when you're doing that. Now I need to fluff it with a fork. I'm going to use my fork to fluff up the stuffing. That looks delicious. Now I can use a serving spoon or a big spoon to put some stuffing on my plate. If you're taking this for a Thanksgiving get-together with friends or family, instead of serving yourself now, you can put more plastic wrap over it and take it to whatever party you're going to. I hope you enjoyed making stuffing with me today. I would love to hear in the comments if you tried making some in your classroom or at home. There's a free recipe for download in the description below. Enjoy!